We just finished our first month living here in Bali, Indonesia.
Today we're going to show you some of the highlights, like the delicious food and coffee and the beautiful beaches.
And some of the realities of living in Bali, like the cost of living, the weather, and some creepy crawlies you might encounter. So let's see how our month went.
Let's go!
So, move to Bali, they said. It'll be fun, they said. The keys. I need the house keys. I'm coming, I have to get the keys. Seminyak Beach.
We finally made it.
Yeah, good. You guys see what there is to do? Emma's just getting some cash out so that she can do a Tokopedia delivery, which is like Lazada or Shopee here in Bali. You can order lots of things online store. And we're also going to drop off a couple of big bags of laundry, and we'll show you how much it costs to do laundry here in Bali. And then going for a nice coffee to celebrate. Okay. We're going to do 15k one day, we can pick it up in 24 hours. 15k per kilogram, so 4 kilograms about 60k, a bit less than $5. Not too bad.
It's a lot.
Money bags. What you buying?
Secret.
I wonder what it is.
It's a present!
Something shiny. Pretty good, you can probably top up your phone.
Yeah.
Pay utilities and stuff if you needed to.
Yeah, which is good. We'll never know.
Coffee cartel, what was the problem?
Closes in 10 minutes, so it did say that on Google, but we took our chances because sometimes it's wrong. But I just ran in and asked the girl and she was like, yeah, we're closed, so damn.
So they did tell us there's another branch of Coffee Cartel about 10 minutes drive away, but I think we're saved that for another day and we're going to go to a different local cafe instead.
Yeah. Oh, we can go anywhere.
Oh, we can walk around.
Oh,
Okay, do you want to go somewhere comfy? Salamat. Very good, thank you. How are you?
Oh, there's pizza.
Yummy.
Cooling down with a coffee shake and watermelon juice, iconic duo.
Coffee and a watermelon juice. No Sprite today. If you follow the channel, no Sprite. It's too early for it, but it's a nice little place and the menu's looking pretty good. We might pop back or order some from here for dinner because it looks really nice. Yeah. Good prices too. My juice was 25 and your coffee 40, so only a couple of dollars. Very nice.
Tastes good too.
Waiting for the 1k subs.
10 years later. I'm just kidding. I hope not.
I think I got it.
Oh.
Nice.
Saturday weekend, Saturday.
Yeah, weekend.
Sunday is busy.
Really busy.
Yes,
yeah.
Saturday.
That was a nice coffee and experience, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really chilled and we were the only ones there, so it's nice to support like a local business, very local, just 1 minute
just
away.
around the corner. Yeah, and we just met that guy who, he doesn't own the cafe but he works there. His name was Geddy.
Yeah.
And we were just talking to him about how Bali was affected by COVID and lots of businesses along this street are closed, but now visa on arrival and lower quarantine is happening in Bali, so hopefully his business, you know, goes better and Bali gets a bit more back to normal.
Yeah, we were happy to support them because they're really nice and the prices are really good, to be honest, so
yeah, I might stop back there for dinner.
yeah, sounds good.
All right, let's go. So I've just been sitting relaxing by my villa pool here in Bali, enjoying my coffee here. But I just noticed a snake
down in the grass behind me, so I'm gonna try to usher it out so I can sit and relax, not think about it. So let's see what we can do with this snake. Hope it's not dangerous, venomous. I spied it, I know where it is. I'm going in with one long stick, and I've got one brush down here, but it's right next to the snake. So hopefully I can use the brush to usher the snake out. Let's see. I know where it is. It's right under these leaves, but it's curled up. I've seen it. Oh my God, it's disappeared. So now I'm nervous. It was right there. Now I'm assuming it's somewhere near this bin. Look at the size of that guy. There's a massive one. We have little geckos that are inside our apartment. He's going in. I'm very worried that snake ended up somewhere else.
Today we're taking a day trip to Canggu. It's quite a popular expat area and it's a bit more lively in these pandemic times. Having a little self-care day. I'm going to get my hair cut and Emma's off doing her nails. But first we come to this cool brunch place called Milu and we're going to go check out the food first.
Big old sandwich. I got poached eggs with potato and cheese croquettes, some salad, avocado, baked beans and relish, which looks really good. And Lewis got himself a club sandwich, classic. What's in that?
Chicken, bacon, boiled egg, lettuce, all that good stuff.
Yum.
Enjoy. Snap, red snapper. So although it's still a little bit rainy, I'm just walking from where we had lunch at Milu to this barber shop that I found called Hot Shot. That looks okay, so gonna go get a little trim, freshen up. Canggu is definitely looking a bit livelier than some other areas. We were in Kuta the other day and many things were closed, but Canggu is quite popular as a digital nomad space if you're into that. So seems like a lot of businesses and restaurants have survived the pandemic okay. Quite an interesting place to explore and a good place if you want to live that digital nomad lifestyle too. Anyway, so I just finished my haircut. It was 80k. I got the haircut, shampoo, and a little shoulder massage. He did what I wanted, so pretty good service. That's Hot Shot here in Canggu. Good one. But it's been raining a lot. There's flooding outside. Emma just joined me. We're gonna wait in the barber shop because we don't have the rain jacket. Big mistake in Bali, get a rain jacket. So we're gonna have to go to a supermarket and buy one before we go home. Very much. Well, that was pretty rough driving. We now just got back to Seminyak to pick up our laundry from here, and it's not even raining. The roads are dry like it was never raining, but 15-minute drive back from Canggu, a lot of flooding. Really difficult to drive and we're super soaked. My shoes are like little swimming pools with a layer of water in it, but at least we're back in Seminyak and we can get home and dry off soon. That's a look.
Oh my god, these shoes feel like, ooh, here's spider.
Let's get home, dry off.
Yeah.
So that was our adventure in Canggu with a bit of a bad ending. So a bit of a wet finish. Definitely invest in a rain jacket early before you get caught out. Anyway, we had a nice time in Canggu. We're exploring new areas in Bali, hopefully with better weather. So keeping fit and doing exercise is something really important to me and helps with this fit Bali lifestyle. So today I'm going to take you with me as I go to my local gym called the Hammerhead to get a little workout in. It's gym day. Going up to Hammerhead Gym on the 3rd floor, so already a bit of a leg day on the way here. Get my sweat on. Not such a bad view from outside the gym, but super hot in there. Even though there's tons of ACs, it's still really, really hot. Time to get back to it, finish this off. So that was my workout here at Hammerhead Gym in Seminyak. Really hot as I showed you, but pretty nice gym, and the price is only 400k. It's about £20 or $28 per month. So not too bad. There are a lot more expensive gyms in Bali too. So that was good. Time to head home, take a shower, maybe jump in the pool, and then go get some lunch. Coffee time.
Mocha and an orange juice.
It's quite a cool place. What do you think of Revolver?
Yeah, it's nice. It's got like a really chilled brunch vibe. Probably more brunch than dinner, but they also do like cocktails and drinks and some dinner food. So yeah, we just ordered I ordered eggs Benedict and Lewis got breakfast sandwich.
Yummy. Kasih.
Ya, sama-sama.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Where's the cookie?
Hey.
You ate the cookie already. I wanted to film it.
I'm sorry, it was a tiny, tiny little Oreo.
It was
and
very cute.
I'm not gonna lie, I ate it when Lewis wasn't looking.
And what about the food? It looks really nice.
Yeah, and we both got McMuffin. Lewis got bacon and egg, and I got like vegan. This is a tempeh pate. I got tofu scramble, some potatoes, and some interesting sauce. Lewis got potatoes as well, didn't you?
Yeah, I got bacon and egg McMuffin and some little like hash brown potato things. So looks really nice. Let's try coffee cartel.
Bon appetit.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Trend Studio Mall.
Cinema time.
Yeah.
Ballet show. Trying to find the cinema like.
Bit difficult to find, but we found XXI's, a movie theatre in Trend Studio Mall. We want to go see the new Batman, and we're going to meet our friends to go watch it now.
Woo! Time to go food shopping.
Let's go food shopping. Salama.
Hi man, how are you today?
Very good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
After you get a basket.
$30k mango.
Bit spenny, but hopefully it's a good one. Bit hard.
I think it's got a little squish to it.
Look at these little pumpkin.
Ready for Halloween in 6 months?
He doesn't like pumpkin, so no point getting it.
No. So we just did a little shopping, need to restock the fridge, so we went to our local Bintang supermarket. We paid about 150 and we just got a couple of milk, snacks, some new jam and things like that. When you do shopping, good idea to bring tote bags or some carrier bags because they don't often give it or they charge it for you. And I just paid on my Wise card, which is really good if you're living abroad, and it's a really good way to manage your money.
Yeah.
And now we just come to Doppio Pink Cafe behind us. We haven't tried it before, but it looks popular and looks nice, so let's see how it is.
Yeah, we'll let you know how it is. Red velvet latte. Pink latte. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Caramel slice with ice cream. So that was our first month living here in Bali. We've loved it so far.
Yeah, we've had a really good time. I think we found this being quite affordable, maybe not as affordable as Saigon, Vietnam, where we were living last, but still relatively good prices, especially during this COVID time. And it's just a really beautiful island to live on. Really nice to be able to go to the beach, and there's lots of cool cafes and delicious food around, so we're having a great time. We haven't had as much time as we'd like to explore a bit further afield, so we've got our eye on visiting some waterfalls and traveling to some different areas further afield in Bali. So don't forget to like and subscribe, stay tuned on the channel and they'll be coming soon.
Yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye guys.